video about this bird. We're gonna scare him.
And poker.
Okay. So my camcorder is gonna be holding it. Here.
These are birds. Birds of nature.
Okay, so this is something that we know about Lola. Everyone, 5, 4, 3, 2, poke Lola! Oh!
Oh, let's squeeze her. Let's squeeze her with that. Oh. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, I was into it.
She bite my finger.
He's gonna push it like this.
There's Venus.
I want to hurry up before I get here. He wants to lay down and he doesn't let me clean. That's why I'm kind of nervous.
Wait.
Show them Coco. Show them the Cocos. Coco's right there.
What's your color?
He's a white bird. He's a baby still. And this one's a grown up. This one's a grown up.
07.
This one's a girl and it's a grown up too.
What happens if I put her claws on it?
And this one's a boy and he's a grown up too. That one's a boy and that one's a grown up too. And this one's gonna go to have babies, and I'll show you how sometimes. So far, what she's been doing, she's been kind of making a little nest inside.
And yeah.
And this little one's on top of the house. And she's also making another one in this little house.
And that's it.
And that's it. And I don't know if you can see this one really well inside, but look, on that side it looks like a little nest.
This Lola, she does not like to be touched, and she somehow bites whoever tries to touch her. So
They are officially together. They've been kissing. They already had the kiss. If we ever find them doing it again, we'll show it to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe below.
Leave in the comments.
And leave in the comments, and please like the video. Bye.